Hello everyone. In this video, we will introduce you to a new extension called Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM. Easy WorkDrive Core connects your file storage directly to each Zoho CRM record. With this extension, you can view, create, upload, rename, share, and delete files without leaving Zoho CRM. By integrating Zoho CRM with Easy WorkDrive Core, you can perform your day-to-day file management operations directly from CRM. Folders are created automatically using workflow triggers. The extension also supports multiple folder structures based on your specific business requirements. Attachments from CRM records can be synced and stored automatically in their associated WorkDrive folders. So, what can you do with this extension? First, you can view and navigate files, folders, and nested folders directly from the CRM record. You can also create, rename, delete, and manage folders and files directly from the record page. You do not need to open a separate WorkDrive tab for these operations. You can also share files directly from the widget. The extension allows you to generate shareable links with download-only or full access permissions. Another useful feature is attachment syncing. Attachments from Zoho CRM records can be automatically synced and stored in the linked WorkDrive record folder. To get started, first install Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM from the Zoho Marketplace. Then authenticate Zoho WorkDrive. After authentication, configure the workflow and folder structure based on your requirements. Once the setup is complete, you can start using the extension directly from the record widget. From the widget, you can view, upload, rename, share, and delete files without switching between Zoho CRM and WorkDrive. Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM helps you keep your CRM documents organized while making file management faster and easier. Now, I will show you the key features of this amazing extension. The first feature is standard module support. This extension supports standard modules such as leads, deals, contacts, accounts, and campaigns. It allows flexible folder creation and file management across your Zoho CRM ecosystem. Let me show you an example. After the authentication process is completed, you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see the 5 supported standard modules. You can also see the configured folder structure for each module. This is the folder structure for leads. This one is for contacts. This one is for accounts. Then we have deals and campaigns. The next feature is admin authorization. An admin or authorized user can connect Zoho CRM with WorkDrive. After installing the extension, you need to authenticate your Zoho service. The admin or authorized user can complete this authentication from here. Once the authentication is completed, whenever a new record is created in one of the supported standard modules, a corresponding folder will be created automatically in WorkDrive. The third feature is nested folder structure. The extension can automatically create nested folder structures when new records are created, helping you keep your documents organized. If you go to Module Settings and open the Deals section, you can see that the folder structure is currently configured using the Deal Name field. This means that whenever a new deal record is created, a corresponding folder will be created in WorkDrive using the deal name. Now let's go to the Deals module and create a new deal. I will give this deal the name Test001. Then I will click Save. The new deal has now been created successfully. Now, if I go to Easy WorkDrive Core, you can see the main folder created by the extension. Inside it, I have the Deals folder. If I open the Deals folder, you can see that a new folder named Test001 has been created automatically. The folder name matches the deal name from Zoho CRM. This is one of the main features of the extension.
The next feature is Dynamic Root Folder. This feature allows the extension to create folders inside parent module folders using lookup fields. For example, you can automatically create a contact or deal folder inside its related account folder. Suppose you have several contacts or deals associated with an account. With this extension, you can automatically create their folders inside the corresponding account folder. Now, let's see how to configure it. First, go to the Module Settings section. For this example, I will configure contact folders to be created automatically inside their related account folders. Go to the Contacts module settings. Here, you can see an option called Dynamic Root Folder. Click on this field and search for WorkDrive. Now select Account Name, followed by WorkDrive Folder ID Core. This means the WorkDrive folder of the related account will be used as the parent folder for the contact folder. After selecting the Dynamic Root folder, I will keep the remaining settings as they are. Then I will click Update Settings. The setting has been updated successfully. Now, let's go to the Accounts module and test the configuration. I am currently in the Accounts module, and I will create a new account. I will give it the name Test Account 004. Then I will click Save. The new account has been created successfully. Now I will create a contact under this account. Click on the plus button to create a new contact. I will enter the required contact details and associate the contact with Test Account 004. Then I will click Save. The contact has now been created successfully under this account. If you open the Easy WorkDrive section for this account, you can see that the contact folder has been created automatically inside the Test Account 004 folder. You do not need to create this folder manually. You can also verify the folder structure directly in Zoho WorkDrive. Open the Accounts folder. Here, you can see the Test Account 004 folder. Inside this account folder, you can see that the related contact folder has been created automatically. Now you can easily manage the files and folders related to contacts under their corresponding account folders. This is another useful feature of Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM. The next feature is Merge Field Support. You have already seen how merge fields work while configuring the folder structure. Whenever you press Shift and 3, you can search for and select CRM fields such as account name, contact name, deal name, or other available fields. These fields can then be used dynamically when creating folder names and folder structures. This gives you more flexibility when organizing WorkDrive folders based on your CRM data. The next feature is the Interactive Folder Widget. A built-in widget displays the associated WorkDrive folder directly inside the CRM record for faster access. For example, I am now inside a newly created deal record. If you look at the Related List section, you can see the WorkDrive related list. We will also show you how to configure this related list in another video. From the widget, you can create folders, upload files, and switch between different viewing options. You can also open the Settings menu for additional configuration. Now I will upload a file.
I will select this image and click Open. The file has been uploaded successfully. From here, you can also rename, copy, cut, download, or delete files. Now, if I go to my Easy WorkDrive Core folder and open the Deals folder, you can see the Test001 folder that was created earlier. If I open it, you can see that the uploaded file is available here as well. This means you can manage files directly from each CRM record without switching back and forth between Zoho CRM and WorkDrive. You can create, rename, copy, delete, and manage files directly from the widget. You can also generate shareable links from here. The next feature is automatic folder creation. As you have already seen, folders are created automatically in Zoho WorkDrive whenever new CRM records are created based on your configured folder structure. The extension also supports mobile compatibility, allowing you to access supported features from Zoho CRM on mobile devices. Another useful feature is external file collection. Using this feature, you can generate a link that allows external users to upload files directly into the corresponding WorkDrive record folder. To create a file collection link, open the widget and click on Settings. Then select Collect Files. Here, you can enter a collection name. For this example, I will name it Test. You can also set an expiration date if required. Next, you can select a group by option. You can choose None, Email, or Name. For this example, I will select Name. Then click Submit. A file collection link will now be generated. You can copy this link and share it with anyone outside your organization. When they open the link, they can upload files, and those files will automatically be stored in the corresponding WorkDrive folder. The next feature is password-protected sharing. You can create share links and protect them with a password. You can also configure an expiration date for the share link. This gives you more control over how external users access your files. Another feature is automated process execution. In the module settings, here you can see options such as trigger workflow, trigger blueprint, and trigger approval. When these options are enabled, updates made to fields configured in the folder structure can automatically trigger the associated Zoho CRM automation processes. This provides additional automation after the record or folder is created. Another useful feature is default password configuration. Go to Module Settings and click the Edit button for the required module. From here, you can configure a Share URL field. Select the CRM field where the Share URL should be saved. Then configure a default password and duration for the share link. After saving the configuration, the extension can generate a protected download-only share link that you can send to external users. This makes file sharing more secure and easier to manage. The extension also provides related list customization options. For example, you can customize the logo and configure the default view of the widget. These options allow you to personalize how the Easy WorkDrive related list appears inside Zoho CRM. You can also configure the Collect Files feature directly from Module Settings. Open the required module setting and select the option to save the file collection link. From here, you can select the CRM field where the collection link should be stored. You can configure the collection name, duration, and other available options. This allows you to prepare your file collection settings directly from the extension configuration page. These are some of the key features of Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM. Install Easy WorkDrive Core for Zoho CRM and explore these features to simplify your file and folder management between Zoho CRM and Zoho WorkDrive.